Hello everyone, I am Dania and my seminar topic is Blockchain with Internet of Things, its benefits, challenges and future directions under the guidance of Professor Abdul Tawab. So, in this seminar, we will go through introduction, centralized IoT architecture, blockchain technology, characteristics of blockchain, how blockchain works, blockchain with IoT, benefits of integrating blockchain with IoT, challenges of blockchain with IoT, future research directions, and the conclusion. Blockchain. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed database of records that contains all transactions that have been executed and shared among participating parties in the work. This distributed database is called distributed ledger. Each transaction is stored in the distributed ledger and must be verified by consent of the majority of participants in the network. All transactions that have ever made are contained in the blockchain. Bitcoin is the most popular example that uses blockchain technology. Integrating IoT with blockchain will have many benefits. The Internet of Things has the ability to connect and communicate billions of others simultaneously. It provides various benefits to customers that will change the way that user interacts with the technology. Using a collection of cheap sensors and interconnected objects, information can be collected from our environment that will allow improving our way of living. Decentralization. The decentralization model of the blockchain will have the ability to handle processing of billions of transactions between IoT devices, which will significantly reduce the cost associated with installing and maintaining large centralized data centers and will distribute computation and storage needs across the billions of devices that forms IoT networks. In addition, working with the blockchain technology will eliminate the single point of failure associated with the centralized IoT architecture. Moreover, integrating blockchain with IoT will allow the peer-to-peer messaging, file distribution, and autonomous coordination between IoT devices will no more need for the centralized server-client model. Centralized IoT architecture. Basically, the IoT is the connection and the communication of different devices over the internet. These devices are composed of networking nodes, whether server or computer, which are connected together to share their data. All devices are provided with sensors which collect data that can be transmitted, stored, analyzed, and presented in the useful way. There are many architectures of IoT which is approved commonly. Different researchers and organizations propose different architectures. The IoT architecture is composed of the four layers. The first one is the application layer, second one is server support and application layer, third network layer, and fourth is the device layer. First, let us consider the application layer. The application layer encompasses IoT application. There are many IoT applications such as healthcare, smart cities, connected car energy, smart agriculture, and etc. etc. Service support and application layer contains common capability which can be used by different IoT application. And the next, the network layer. This layer includes devices such as routers, switches, gateways, and firewalls that are used to construct local and wide area network to provide internet connectivity. In addition to it, it enables devices to communicate with one another and to communicate with application platforms such as computer, remote control devices, and smartphones. And the device layer. The device layer is similar to the physical layer of the Open System Interconnection, also called as OSI. This model of network architecture, it is composed of physical devices and controllers that control objects. These objects represent things in the IoT that include a wide range of endpoints, devices that send and receive a variety of information. For instance, sensors that connect information about the surrounding environment. The IoT architecture is built as a centralized model which is known as server-client model. In this model, all devices cannot talk to each other but talk to centralized gateway instead. The centralized model has used to connect a wide range of computing devices for many years and will continue to support small-scale IoT networks. However, it is not capable of providing the needs to extend the IoT system in the future. In addition, the centralized model is vulnerable to data manipulation. Collecting a real-time data does not ensure that the information is put to a good approach use. For example, if energy company found that small meter data analysis will be the evidence that must result in high cost or lawsuits, they will edit or delete this data. Next, the blockchain technology. This blockchain technology provides an efficient way of recording transaction or any digital interaction on a way that makes it secure, transparent, highly resistant to outages, orderable. This technology is still new and changing very fast. Adopting in the commercial market is still few years off. The blockchain contains a certain and variable records of every single transaction ever made. A blockchain consists of two elements, the transactions and the blocks. The transactions are the actions generated by the participants in the system, and the blocks are the records. The transactions are made sure they are in the correct sequence and have not been tampered with. The characteristics of the blockchain. The blockchain has many features that make it very attractive for the IoT to solve many of its issues. First one, the immutability. Building immutable ledgers in one of the key value of blockchain. All centralized database can be computed and commonly require trust in third party to keep the information integrity. Once you have agreed to a transaction and recorded, it can never be changed. Decentralization. The lack of centralized control ensures scalability and robustness by using resources of all participating nodes and eliminating many to one traffic flows, which in turn decreases latency and solves the problem of single point of failure that exists in the centralized model. Next is the anonymity. The anonymity provides an efficient way of hiding the identity of users and keep their identity private. Fourth, the better security. Blockchain provides better security because there is no single point of failure to shut down the entire network. Fifth, increased capacity. One of the significant things about blockchain technology is that it can increase the capacity of an entire network. Having thousands of computers working together as a whole can have greater power than a few centralized servers. How blockchain works. How blockchain works. Although the blockchain is still new and is experimenting stage, it is being perceived as a revolutionary solution that addresses modern technology issues such as decentralization, identity, trust, data ownership, and data-driven decisions. The blockchain is generally a database that stores all the transactions in blocks. When a new transaction is created, the sender broadcast is to the peer-to-peer communication channel to all other nodes in the network. A transaction is still new and not verified. When the nodes receive the transaction, they validate it and keep it in their ledger. Transaction validation is performed by running predefined checks on the structure and the action of the transaction. Special node types called Miners create a new block and include all or some of the available transactions from their transaction pool. Then the block is mined, which in the process of finding the proof of work using variable data from the new block's header, finding the proof of work in the continuous calculation of the cryptographic hash that fits the defined difficulty target. Mining requires a lot of processing power and the miners use a designated mining hardware. The miner that first finds a solution for their blocks is the winner. This candidate block becomes very new block in the chain because transactions are added in the mining blocks they are arrived. Therefore, the latest block in the blockchain contains the latest transaction. When a new block is created, it is a time stamped and propagated to all network nodes. Every node receives the block, validates the transaction, and adds the block to its ledger. When the majority of nodes accepted the block, it becomes authorized and non-reversible part of the blockchain. In addition to transaction, every block stores more metadata and the hash value of the previous block. So every block has a pointer to its parent block. That it is how the blocks are linked, created a chain and blocks called blockchain. The distributed ledger is available for everyone in the network to check the blocks and the transaction within. However, the users stay anonymous. They only identify by their public key as an address. Moreover, the transactions are encrypted. Invalid transactions are rejected and are not included in the blocks. Next, blockchain with IoT. The IoT is an interesting developing system that provides unlimited benefits. But there are many challenges with the current centralized IoT architecture such that all devices are identified, authenticated and connected through the centralized server. This model was used to connect a wide range of computing devices for many years and will continue to support small scale IoT networks. However, it will not be capable of providing the needs to extend the IoT system in the future. The table presents a comparison between blockchain and the IoT. There are many advantages of both technologies which can be combined and get an improved outcome. The IoT has unlimited benefits and adopting a decentralized approach for the IoT which would solve many issues, especially security. Adopting a standardized peer-to-peer communication model to process the hundreds of billions of transactions between devices will significantly reduce the cost associated with installing and maintaining large centralized data centers and will distribute computation and storage needs across the billions of devices from IoT network. This will prevent failure in any single node in a network from bringing the entire network to a halting collapse. The decentralized, autonomous, and trustless capabilities of blockchain make it an ideal component to become a foundational element of IoT solution. It is no surprise that enterprise IoT technologies have quickly become one of the easy adopters of blockchain technology. However, establishing peer-to-peer communication will present its own set of challenges, especially security. IoT security is much more than just about protecting sensitive data. Therefore, the blockchain solution will have to maintain privacy and security in IoT network and use validation and consist of participants for transaction to prevent spoofing and thief. Next, the benefits of integrating blockchain with IoT. There are many benefits of adopting blockchain with IoT. Publicity. All participants have the ability to see all the transactions and all blocks as each participant has its own ledger. The contents of the transaction is protected by participants' private key. So even all participants can see them. They are protected. The IoT is a dynamic system in which all connected devices can share information together at the same time, protecting users' privacy. And the next is the decentralization. The majority of participants must verify the transaction in order to approve it and add it to the distributed ledger. There are no single authority that can approve the transactions or set specific rules to have transaction accepted. Therefore, there is a massive amount of trust included since the majority of participants in the network have to reach an agreement to validate transaction. Third, res- resiliency. Each node has its own copy of the ledger that contains all transactions that have ever made in the network, so the blockchain is better able to withstand attack. Even if one node was compressed, the blockchain would be maintained by every other node. Having a copy of data that each node in the IoT will improve information sharing needs. However, it introduces new processing and storage issues. Fourth, security. Blockchain has the ability to provide a secure network over untrusted parties, which is needed in IoT with numerous and heterogeneous devices. In other words, all IoT network nodes must be malicious to perform an attack. Fifth one, speed. A blockchain transaction is distributed across the network in minutes and will be processed at any time throughout the day. Cost saving. Existing IoT solutions are expensive because of the high infrastructure and maintenance costs associated with centralized architecture, large server farms, and the networking equipment. The total amount of communication that will have to be handled when there are tens of billions of IoT devices will increase those costs subsequently. Seventh, immutability. Having an immutable ledger is one of the main advantages of blockchain technology. Any changes in the distributed ledger must be verified by the majority of the network nodes. Therefore, the transaction cannot be altered or deleted easily. Having an immutable ledger for IoT data will increase security and privacy. Anonymity. To process the transaction, both buyer and the seller use anonymous and unique address numbers which keep their identity private. This feature has been criticized and it increased the use of cryptocurrencies in the illegal online market. However, it could be seen as an advantage if used for other purposes. Next, challenges of blockchain with IoT. There are no doubt that integrating blockchain would have many advantages. However, the blockchain technology is not perfect model which has its own flaws and challenges. First comes the scalability. Scalability issues and blockchain might lead to centralized which is casting a shadow over the future of the cryptocurrency. The blockchain scales poorly as the number of nodes in the network increases. This issue is serious as IoT networks are expected to contain a large number of nodes. Second, processing power and time. The processing power and time needs to achieve encryption for all the objects included in a blockchain system. IoT systems have different types of devices which have very different computing capability and not all of them will be able to run the same encryption algorithm at the required speed. Third, storage. One of the main benefits of blockchain is that it eliminates the needs for a certain device service to store transaction and device IDs. but the ledger has to be stored on the nodes themselves. The distributed ledger will increase in size as time passes and with increased number of nodes in the network. As said earlier, IoT devices have low computational resources and very low storage capacity. And the fourth comes the lack of skills. The blockchain technology is still new, therefore, a few people have large knowledge and skills about the blockchain, especially in the banking. In other applications, there are widespread lack of understanding of how the blockchain works. The IoT devices exist everywhere, so adopting the blockchain with IoT will be very difficult without public awareness about the blockchain. Fifth is the legal and compliance. The blockchain is a new technology that will have the ability to connect different people that different countries without having an legal or compliance code to follow, which is a serious issue for both manufacturers and service providers. These challenges will be the major barrier for adopting blockchain in many business and applications. Naming and discovery. The blockchain technology has not been designed for the IoT. Next, future research directions. The blockchain has changed the concept of centralized authorities. The integrating of blockchain with IoT will be the starting point for opening new business and applications. First comes the contracts. Smart contracts are scripts that stores on the blockchain. They are so powerful because of their flexibility. They can encrypt and store data securely, restrict access to data to only the desired parties, and then be programmed to utilize the data within a self-executing logical workflow of operation between parties. Smart contracts translate business process into the computational process, gently improving operational efficiency. Using smart contracts within the IoT system will provide an efficient way to improve security and integrity of IoT data. Next come the regularity law. These are the procedures created by authorities and local administrative agencies to define legal way of working with a product or technology within a certain country or region. Third is the security for all new technologies. The security is the still most challenging topic that takes the attention of researchers and organizations. Integrating blockchain with IoT can improve security as it uses new consent of the majority of participants to validate transactions to prevent spoofing and theft. However, IoT devices have low computational resources and store space that cannot be able to process cryptographic algorithms. Fourth, the IOTA. IOTA is a new generation of public and distributed ledger that uses a concept called tangle. The, the tangle is a new data structure that based on a directed acyclic graph DAG. IOTA provided efficient, secure, lightweight and real-time transaction without fees. It is an open source decentralization cryptocurrency designed specifically for the IoT. And IOTA is designed specifically for the IoT. It may be more appropriate to different IoT applications. However, it's still under construction. Conclusion: the IoT technology has extended that reaches to every home in the university. It has the ability to connect everyday objects to the internet. Through cheap sensors, a lot of information can be collected from the surrounding environment that results in improving our life. However, current IoT architecture that based on server client model has many issues that needs to be addressed, especially scalability and security. One of the solutions to address IoT issues is blockchain. This blockchain provides distributed peer-to-peer communication network where non-trusted nodes can interact with each other within a trusted intermediary in a variable manner. At the end, we can conclude that integrating blockchain with IoT can bring many advantages that improves many of IoT issues, but at the same time it introduces new challenges that should be addressed. References: